All right. So how many weeks?
34.
34 weeks. We still have time.
I know.
Okay. So 34 weeks and baby is in a breech position. It's important to note that chiropractors do not turn babies. What I plan to do today is evaluate her pelvis and see what's going on that could be restraining baby's position. When moms go into labor, we want their whole spine in perfect condition. So deep breath in and hold. Good, breathe and relax. Perfect. Lift your chin. Thank you. Okay, so one of the most important parts of the Webster protocol is these round ligaments. If one of them's tighter than the other, it holds tension, which can restrict baby's movement. So we're going to release those. Comfortable, Mom? Good. Hi, baby. She's kicking me. He, she, we don't know, right?
It's a mover.
Mover and a shaker. We don't know.
Whatever it is.
She's probably doing somersaults in your sleep and you just don't know it.
Mhm.